Mom throws herself in harm's way. The predator's fangs search for her neck. But Mom squirms free. When threatened, sloth bears charge and stand tall to intimidate. It's a bluff. And it works. For now. Mom must make sure he doesn't sneak back. She risks her own life to protect her cub, but pushes the cat too far. If his teeth find their target, she's dead. Her cub can only watch. The tiger tires. Mom seizes her moment. The ambush assassin again calls her bluff. This bear ain't worth the fight. Nature's battles aren't always won by size. It's the risks you're prepared to take.